Aquarius, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for February 2026. General reading, so maaari kayong makarelate, maaari hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, hindi po ako unang magme-message or magpo-follow sa inyo to offer services. Mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Okay? So, let's begin. Aquarius, what is the energy for you? February 2026. February 2026. Aquarius, okay. Ooh, time to go. Meron kang iiwanan na sitwasyon. It's time to go. Or maaring merong person na aalis sa buhay mo. Para tong nakabitin. Alam mo yung tipong pwedeng may manggo-ghost kasi unfinished siya eh. Parang hindi na pag-usapan, hindi walang permission. Parang ganon. Okay, so some of you, pwedeng ito'y so pagdating sa career, trabaho, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng mag-AWOL, no? Yung ibig sabihin ng AWOL, yung aalis na lang, absence without leave, ganon. Na maybe because you feel like you don't see yourself na magsistay sa workplace na yon, that workplace can be a bit toxic for you, or you feel like it's not aligned to your purpose. And even when it comes to relationship, you feel na kailangan mo ng umalis sa sitwasyon na yon because it's time for you to grow and focus on yourself. Yung iba sa inyo rito kasi pwedeng, kung relationship man to pabalik-balik kayo sa relationship na to. Tapos parang wala naman nangyayari. Same old, ganun. Na akala mo pag bumalik ka, magiging maayos na ulit. Pero ganun pa rin. So, yung iba sa inyo, napagod na kayo. I also see someone helping you out. No? Merong kang support dito sa pinagdadaanan mong challenge. There is someone who is willing to give you direction, assistance. Okay, let's see. Overall energy. Ooh, the Empress. Oh, ganda. The Empress is about abundance, fertility. I feel like kaya ka aalis sa sitwasyon na to kasi mas mahal mo yung sarili mo. At mas minamahal mo na yung sarili mo at mas pinipili mo na yung sarili mo. You want to, focus on taking care of yourself. Pwede kasi dito hindi ka naaalagaan. Or feeling mo left behind ka. Let's say sa workplace, hindi ka napapansin, kahit nag-e-effort ka, parang wala lang. So, yung iba aalis sa ganung sitwasyon. Even sa relationship na you're trying your best to do the effort sa connection mo, but you feel na hindi pa rin nagiging strong yung bond mo with that person. So now, as the Empress, no, you are stepping into your own power. You know your worth. Alam mo na yung halaga mo ngayon. And you will not take anything less than what you deserve. Now, your challenge is the Four of Pentacles. Some of you, pwedeng meron kayong tinatawag na financial pinch. So, yung some sort of challenge financially. Lalo na kung ikaw ay umalis sa work, sa trabaho nang wala kang ipon. O kaya, nagpadalos-dalos ka sa pagdedesisyon mo sa pag-alis sa trabaho nang wala ka pang bagong work or career path or source of income na pupuntahan. But, like what I said, no, merong tutulong naman sa'yo. Okay? So, as long as you are open, you are true to yourself na you need help, someone is willing to give you that help. Yung help na kailangan mo. Okay, so now your opportunity is Ace of Wands. New beginnings. You have the opportunity to start again, to have a fresh start, new opportunities, new career, new sources of income, travel opportunities. Alam niyo yung iba sa inyo, merong malaking impact yung pag-travel ninyo. Kung kayo ay nasa magulong sitwasyon, you feel like, I'm so clouded, hindi ko alam anong nangyayari, magulo ang isip ko. Try to travel. Kung kaya mo na mag-travel safely, mag-isa, do it. Kasi it is going to help your mind, body, and spirit. Na kumbaga makaka-recover ka kaagad. Now, your blessing is, the Six of Cups. As a blessing, this is about harmony, no? Happiness. Meron ding reconciliation. So, pwedeng meron ka mang iiwanan na sitwasyon, meron ka namang babalikan na totoong nagmamahal sa'yo at handa kang tanggapin. Parang energy ng the prodigal child, ganon, na maaring may mga naging issue ka with your parents kasi gusto mo ikaw yung masunod, tapos sumama ka sa partner mo, and then eventually na-realize mo tama yung parents mo, tapos babalik ka sa parents mo and they're going to welcome you. And as if nothing happened, as if hindi kayo nagka-problema. So that's true love, you know. Some of you naman, this is a blessing of reconciliation sa isang taon na maaring matagal kayong may kaalitan, pero hindi mo talaga siya tinanggal sa buhay mo. Like, you nag-iwan ka ng room for reconciliation na alam mo mangyayari eventually. So, that is unfolding also ngayong February. Now, your focus is your strength. Yung iba sa inyo, mas magiging active. Active kayo physically because you want to strengthen your body. And when we strengthen our body, hindi lang yan sa physical, no? Nagta-translate din yan or nagre-resonate din yan sa ating mind, spirit, no? Kaya nga mind, body, and spirit. You are aligning yourself. And then, this is also the courage, lakas ng loob, na humarap sa panibagong hamon ng buhay, sa bagong chapter ng buhay mo dahil ikaw ay galing sa isang natapos na nakaraan. Diba? And alam nyo, it takes a lot of courage na umalis sa isang sitwasyon. Kahit ano pang sitwasyon yan. Lalo na kung naging familiar na sa'yo, komportable sa'yo, and syempre, yung iba takot na sumubok ng bago. Kaya the moment na umalis ka sa sitwasyon na yan, it means na meron kang sapat na lakas para mag-focus sa future mo at maging in control of your life. Synergy 413. Parang 143, 413. Synergy, this is your energy. I think yung iba sa inyo, you are also gaining strength from the people who supports you, from the people who loves you. And yun ang importante kasi meron at merong nagmamahal sa'yo. Unconditionally. I see people who are just waiting for you na lapitan mo sila, na mag-open up ka sa kanila. Inevitability. So, merong talagang kailangan dito. Itong kailangan iwanan na sitwasyon na to, inevitable siya. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo man siya gawin ngayon, in the future, it will still happen. So, kung gagawin mo na siya ngayon, at least, na-save mo na yung time to move on and move forward. Kasi, what is meant to be, it will be. Kung ano hindi para sa'yo, kahit anong gawin mo doon, kahit hawakan mo ng mahigpit, kung hindi yan para sa'yo, mawawala talaga yan sa'yo. You have Mercury and Aries in the first house. You're going to be very busy learning, doing things, traveling back and forth, no? Pwedeng may mga errands ka na gagawin ngayong February. Part din to ng ng learning process mo or ng moving on mo is you want to make yourself busy. You You also have Moon in Pisces in the 12th house. Moon in the 12th. Wow. So this is your instinct, your intuition. I feel like yung instinct mo, intuition mo, mas lalong magiging malakas. Pero ito yung parang superpower mo eh. Parang secret sauce. Oo, kasi you will not tell anyone na ito yung power mo. Like, ito lang yung gagamitin mo yung guide para sa journey mo. But you will not tell na, uy, ang lakas ng intuition ko. Walang ganun. So for you, you just know. Alam mo lang na ito yung nararamdaman mo, alam mo na ito yung mangyayari or ito yung best for you. And then you will use that. Gagamitin mo yan for your growth. And hindi mo na kailangan yung ipaalam pa sa iba. Magic remains even while you ground yourself and be practical. That is right. So, itong pagiging, I see you na yung mga manifestations mo, mas mabilis siyang mangyayari the moment that meron kang mga gagawing practical steps towards those manifestations. Na yung isa-set mo na goal is achievable. Okay? Kumbaga achievable siya, realistic. Okay? Kaya mas madali mo siyang makukuha. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.